We have unearthed a 1,000-year-old recipe for you. The recipe is called Karaikudi Kalaan Noodles. Stay tuned to get inspired. Since we are going to make some noodles, I'm going to bring some water to boil. Let's add some noodles to the boiling water. We're going to cook the noodles for about 10 minutes. The story starts 1,000 years back when a Chinese spiritual guru called Shi visited a small village in Tamil Nadu near Karaikudi called Kanadugatan. Towards the end of his spiritual journey, he was craving for some nice Chinese food. Just because he was on a spiritual journey, he was also a vegetarian during that point in time. So he approached a nearby household where there was an old woman called Kumuda Achi. Unfortunately, Kumuda Achi didn't have the Chinese spices with her. That's when she invented this dish called Karaikudi Kalaan Noodles. That's the 1,000-year-old recipe which you are going to learn today. Hang on, it's not 1,000-year-old and all. It's 2 hours old. Just before coming here, I was sitting there and thinking about this. And we are making this as a recipe video. But still, let's make it worth it. It's almost done. I'm going to take this, strain it, add some oil so that the noodles don't stick together. So it's not like this, it's like this. Strain your cooked noodles. Some oil, a little bit of oil. We're going to make a coconut paste. Smells delicious. What is a Karaikudi fusion without some coconut oil? Mushrooms instead of chicken. That's why this became Karaikudi Kalaan Noodles. Kalaan equal to mushroom in English. Now comes the secret ingredient. There's some lime juice. So now it's time for the yen part of KKN. Some salt. To ensure you don't break your noodles, you can lift it and mix it with tongs. That's your Karaikudi Kalaan Noodles. This has come out terrific. I'm really proud of this. So this is the new invention, Karaikudi Kalaan Noodles. In short, KKN. இதை மட்டும் நீங்கள் செஞ்சு பார்த்து அவர் வர சொல்லுங்கள், அவர் கைக்கு தங்க காப்பு போடணும்னு நினைப்பீங்க. கீழே டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷனில் அட்ரஸ் அனுப்பிச்சுருக்கிறேன், அனுப்பிச்சுடுங்க. கமான்.